Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto friendly cheesecake with goat's cheese. It's super easy to make. All you need is goat's cheese. I have got creme fraiche, but you could use sour cream instead. We've got stevia, but you could use your sweetener of choice. I've got vanilla for a bit of flavor and a few eggs. But as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cheesecake a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. It actually really couldn't be simpler. Start by popping all of the ingredients into a large bowl and we're just going to whisk them all together. Yep, it is that easy. So there's 2 tubs of goat's cheese, which is a total of about 300 grams of goat's cheese going in. And then it's up to you how sweet you like your sweet treats. 1/3 to 1/2 cup of stevia is perfect. I'm going for a little bit under 1/2 cup. And then we'll add in the 3 eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla. And finally a 1/2 cup of creme fraiche or sour cream. And then we'll just whisk it all together. Okay, so I'm just using my electric beaters and I'm going to whisk till we have a lovely creamy mixture. And there you go, that's perfect. Now we'll pour it into a baking tin. So I've got a baking tin which I've got lined with well greased baking paper, and we'll just pour the cheesecake mixture in. And now it's going to go into the oven, which I've preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes. Have a look at 30 minutes and see if it's set and browned. Otherwise put it back in for a final 10 and I'll show you once it's done. And the cheesecake's come out the oven. It smells pretty amazing. It's still a little bit wobbly, but it'll kind of set on cooling. So I'm going to let it cool completely, move it to a plate, and then I'll show you once I slice into it. So the cheesecake's been in the fridge for a few hours. It's set beautifully. You can see it's not the largest cheesecake, but it's just so tasty. So I'm going to cut into it. And I've got a beautiful piece of cheesecake there. It is so light and you can just see it's just a perfect cheesecake. Really simple, really easy ingredients, all low carb and keto friendly. And just remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe for how to make this easy goat's cheese cheesecake. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cheesecake a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.